What's going on, everyone? This is Chad Cooke. I'm the owner of Cooke Pressure Washing here in Spartanburg, South Carolina. Today we got a business we're going to take care of. We have all this concrete, the sidewalks you see, all those parking curbs up there. We're going to take care of those too. First order of business is we're going to pre-treat this concrete, which means I'm going to go ahead and put the bleach on the concrete to dwell, to bring that organic growth up from the surface. Some people pre-treat, some people don't. It's all up to you. I do, and I especially would, since this concrete has never been cleaned. That organic growth was really built up on this concrete. You can see what I mean. Look at this sidewalk right here. It's almost black. It's completely covered. It's gonna look so good when we get done with it. Those sidewalks were really bad, so I knew that they needed a little bit more dwell time. So I decided to go ahead and start with the curbs. I used this triple turbo nozzle on every single one of the curb areas, and they came out absolutely awesome. It's a wrap. Oh man, there's stuff on my camera. I tell you what I hate about curbing though, is it all makes a mess. So always make sure to communicate with the customer and let them know. This was a fun one. That concrete was pretty dirty. If you guys subscribe to my channel, thank you. If you're just watching, thank you. But don't forget to please like and subscribe.